Our East African safari is sadly coming to an end, but Amboseli has one final gift waiting for us. In the golden afternoon glow approaching sunset, we set out on a game drive to find some giants of the savannah, the magnificent Tusker elephants of Kenya. But first, some flamingos and waterbirds put on quite a show for us. Wow, few sights in all of Africa compare to the presence of an Amboseli giant tusker. These magnificent elephants are among the last true tuskers on Earth, ancient giants whose enormous ivory tells the story of survival, wisdom, and endurance. Standing beneath Kilimanjaro, they represent the timeless beauty of Africa and the urgent need to protect these incredible creatures for generations to come.
came at dawn where the sky kisses the plain. Tusker shadows rose through the golden grain. Their slow steps wrote stories on dust and light. We stood small and still, hearts opening wide.
In Amboseli's hush we learned how to breathe in time. Oh,
Amboseli, you taught our hearts to roll.
children, oh,
Beside endangered Tuskers we found our own.
though we are sad to leave, we will return home like the elephants.
We trace the herds by the soda lake's rim. Laugh with the sunset, our voices soft and dim.
Children calling names for the giants near. Each memory kept like a talisman dear.
Night folded us close with the wild in our ear.
Memory moves like trunks in the slow morning.
Memory moves we hum along.
Distance won't take what we carried inside.
Amboseli stays where our footprints remain.
Oh,
Amboseli, you taught our hearts to roll.
children, oh,
Beside endangered Tuskers we found our own.
though we are sad to leave, we will return home like we elephants.
Almost time for dinner. Just got back from the afternoon or evening game drive. Walking back to our room. And right out here, we have some hippos.
As the sun begins to set over Amboseli, we find ourselves at the end of a journey that once existed only in our dreams. As we prepare to head back to the Nairobi airport for our flight home, we are packing some incredible East African memories. From the misty mountains of Rwanda, where we shared a rare and unforgettable moment with the gentle giants of the forest, the mountain gorillas, to the shores of Lake Nakuru, where we witnessed the strength and resilience of the magnificent rhinos. Every destination revealed a new chapter in Africa's timeless story. In the vast plains of the Masai Mara, we watched the drama of the wild unfold as lions, cheetahs, and other great predators moved across the savannah. In the Serengeti, we completed our Big Five quest and lifted above the endless plains on a sunrise hot air balloon adventure, a moment that made us feel as though we were floating above the heartbeat of Africa itself. We stood in awe with the ancient landscapes of Ngorongoro Conservation Area, a place where wildlife and wilderness have existed together for thousands of years. And now, beneath the towering silhouette of Mount Kilimanjaro, we share our final moments with Amboseli's legendary giant Tusker elephants. This journey has been more than a safari. It has been a gift, a reminder of how extraordinary our planet is and how fortunate we are to experience its wonders. We leave Africa with grateful hearts, unforgettable memories, and a deeper appreciation for the wild places and incredible creatures that call this continent home. Until we return, Africa will always hold a piece of our hearts. Thanks for joining us.